For 30 years, a promise has been made to the industrial customers. A promise that is around precision, it's about speed, it's about repeatability, it's about connectivity, it's about data. That promise has never been fulfilled by the 3D printing industry.
When the project schedules were very strict, high demand, short, we realized that the prep time needed to kind of utilize some of the more conventional CNC machining wouldn't be feasible given the project schedule. And naturally, there was a question, why not 3D print it? And obviously that why not question turned into a very different approach to understanding the 3D printing technologies.
We don't only develop machines, we develop solutions for our customers. And while we do that, we understand the needs in their processes, in their factories, in their industries. And then this helps us to create our next level products.
Ford invested very early in the first additive manufacturing machines, so we are printing for 30 years now. We invested in the BigRep PRO because the need for large-scale additive manufacturing increased over the time. We were not able to catch up, and that's why we need a machine that also has a higher speed that we can produce even more.
So the MXT controller changes the way thermoplastic extrusion is done. By depositing material instead of drooling material, we're able to improve speed, geometric accuracy, but maybe most importantly, better repeatability. And if we want to get to real end-use parts, these systems need to be repeatable. And with the MXT, you're able to get there.
If you want to deliver large format end-use parts, you cannot stop at small format printers. The industry has large format parts, and we will provide the technology to create them.
With the BigRep PRO, now we're able to kind of introduce far more intense conditions to introduce 3D printing, and that's what we're excited about with the Pro.
To our mind, the Pro may be the enabler for end-use automotive parts.
Our customers are seeking 3D printing technologies that enable them to do real manufacturing.
You see today all the effects of mass production. You see transportation, you see traffic, you see warehouses. We dream of a world where every human is enabled to create his own products locally on a large format BigRep solution.